God damn it!
Oh no, my banner's still around. Shit. Yeah, no, it's probably helping a lot for this. Actually. Damn it! Got a mug. What the? Oh my god! I drank the mug! I'm drunk! I am drunk! I drank the mug on accident!
Brothers, the town square is nearly lost!
Oh! What the? Eddie, I have an anvil!
Yeah.
I killed a guy with an anvil! We failed, but I killed a guy with an anvil! Oh wait, no, we're still going. I'm getting that anvil. I've got it. Archer. I hit the archer in the groin!
Oh, he didn't kill me.
Wow, I just killed that guy by spamming.
Right!
Ah! Oh god! Too many! Too many! Shree!
Rawr.